Hi, Matt Capell here with Capell Flooring and Interiors in Meridian, Idaho. Hey, we get asked quite a bit that people want trackless carpet. They don't like to see vacuum marks, which is perfectly fine. I like seeing vacuum marks, but some people don't, and that's okay. That really is. So to truly get a trackless carpet though, a lot of people, especially in the 90s, got looped Berber, and that has kind of commercial properties to it, and the nap of the carpet. So if we take a look at this one, so here's a looped Berber. It's a little bit more stiff, and so when you vacuum it and you move around, you don't see any marks or tracks or anything. That's just the nature of Berber, and that's really the only way to go truly trackless is to get a Berber. Now, like this carpet here in the showroom floor, it doesn't move a lot, but whenever you have a nap and you move it like this, you will see from light to dark. And that's not a defect. It doesn't mean there's anything wrong with it. It just means that it has a nap. And so as carpets get softer and softer, what happens is you're more apt to see the nap or the vacuum marks or footprints. So I know a lot of people don't want to get Berber anymore, a looped Berber, and that's okay too. So sometimes we kind of have to meet in the middle and get something that doesn't show a lot, but it shows a little bit. So, but just in case you're shopping and you truly want trackless carpet, looped Berber is your best bet. Yeah, if you have any questions though, we help people with this all the time. And if something's not clear in this video, please just comment, share it below, and I'll respond to any questions or concerns that you may have. Love to help you. Appreciate you watching this video, and have yourself a wonderful day, okay?